Hello friend, welcome to BIMALL. Today in this video, we are going to develop a routine to rename the files. Let me show you. Here we have number of files over here. We are going to rename these files, right? And we already know that when we produce soft drawings, ISD, CSD, fab drawing, we have numbers of drawings over there and we have to rename those as well. So in order to rename this in a fraction of second, at the very beginning, you need to install a package called Orchid. Just simply go to Google and search for the Orchid package download. Click on the first link, and there you will find a certain option there, right? See, if you are using Revit 2022, now right now I am using the Revit 2022, therefore I have downloaded this Orchid 203 for the Dynamo 2.3. Click on the Orchid button. Now it will lead to you download one. Now simply click on the download and install it like a application. Without wasting any time, let's begin. So this is the Dynamo environment, right? First of all, we need to locate the address of the files, right? This is the address of the file. You can simply copy the path and search for a node called string. Here we have that string and paste it over here. Okay, now it is pasted over here. Now next we want to allocate the folder from this path, right? We have to get the folder from this path. So in order to do that, we have to search for a node called directory from the path, right? Now see, this one is act as a directory from the path. Now from this path, it has selected that folder. Now, so in order to access the files present inside the folder, we have to search for a node called directory content. Directory content, right? Here we have that one. Where is that? Get directory content, right? Here we have that one. If you want to select all the files present inside the folder, you can simply leave this as blank, right? You just can copy this string one and give it a blank input. You can put that one as well. And if you want to select only the PDF files present in that folder, you can do that as well. To do that, you have to give the extension of that file. I mean to say, if you want to select the PDF, the extension for the PDF is .pdf, right? So you have to put that within the star like this .pdf, right? Now go for the subdirectory. To in order to give that input, we have to introduce a node called boolean. Yeah, true. Go for it. Connect with that and click on the run button. Here we have the detail that it has selected all the PDF, right? For now I am making it false. I just wanted to rename the files which are present inside this path. Now the next move of mine is to get it renamed, right? So to do that, we have a orchid, uh, we have a node called rename. Just search for a rename. Now see, here we have that one. Now you can see this node is asking for the input called directory. Now directory of what? Directory of this files, right? Here we have the directory where we need to get this path, right? So this is files. We need to get the paths of this file. So do that. We have a node called search for a directory. We have a node called directory name. It will give you a path of that files. Just connect with this. Now see, you have those path, right? Now connect with this one is considered as a directory. Now so we are not going to do it again. So click on that source name. It is asking for the source name, so we are going to use the source name, or we have to have a node called files name. Here we have that one. Now click this one is the path, right? Now extension, you can do that. Now here we have, click on the run button. You can see here we have files name. These are the files name, right? You can see we got the files name. This is actually my source name, right? Source. Now it is asking for the target name, right? So in order to give the target name, we are going to, what would be the my target name? Let me tell you. My target name is just yeah, Beam YouTube channel 234. It's all like, I don't want to have that copy. So in order to do that, we have a node called replace. Search for the replace. Here we have that one. I You have to note a point over here that it is a case sensitive. You have to put the copy capital C over there. Now click on the run button. Now you can see that all the copy has been gone. Now let me give this string as a, let me treat this string as a target name of this file. Now condense, it is not required. Click on the run button. Now you go there, You can see that all the file have been renamed, and you can do it in a fraction of second. It's a easy script. It is asking for few notes, right? But it does a miracle. I hope this work for you as well. If it is useful for you, please hit a like button and subscribe our channel.